my dear children. My name is Sheetal teacher and I welcome you all in my lecture. I hope you all are safe at home and taking good care of your and your family. Children, today we are going to learn about shapes. So are you ready? So children, this is our first shape. Which shape is this? It's a circle. Which shape is this? It's a circle. And circle doesn't have any sides. Can you see? It's a round. It doesn't have any sides. Okay? And this shape is called semicircle. When we cut the circle, it becomes semicircle. Can you see the objects? This bangle, which shape is this? Circle shape. This bangle, this is also circle in shape. Can you see this red color object? This is circle in shape. Okay, now we'll learn next shape. Start. So children, this is our next shape, that is triangle. Which angle? Triangle. Okay, so children, triangle have 3 corners. 1, 2 and 3. Yes, and it has 3 sides. 1 side, 2 side and 3 sides. I have kept some object. Can you see this object? Yes. This is, which shape is this? Triangle. It has 3 corners. Can you see this plate? Yes, it is also 3 corners. 1, 2 and 3. And it has 3 lines. Okay. So this was a triangle. We'll see next shape. So children, can you see this? It's a square shape. Which shape? Square shape. Square shape have 4 corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And it is made up of 4 lines. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Yes children? All the sides of the square are same. Okay, the sides, the lines of this square are equal. So I have kept some object over here. Can you see this blocks? It is square in shape. And can you see this book? Yes, the book is square in shape. Okay, now we'll see next object. So children, this is one more shape. This is called rectangle. Which shape is this? Rectangle. Can you see this shape? Yes, it's a rectangle. It has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And it has 4 sides also. 1, 2, 3 and 4. But children, in this, the 2 lines are very long and 2 lines are very short. Can you see this? Yes, 2 lines are long and 2 lines are short. See these objects, your blocks, it has rectangle shape. Can you see this mobile? Yes, it is short. 2 sides are short and 2 lines are long. So this is rectangle shape. We'll see next shape. So children, can you see this shape? Can you guess which shape is this? It's an oval shape. Yes, which shape? Oval shape. It similar look like a circle, but it's not a circle. It's an oval. Okay, can you see this object? Yes, this soap, the shape of the soap is oval. Can you see this stand? Yes, it's an oval shape. Can you see this box? Which shape is this? Oval. Can you see this pin, children? It's an oval shape. Which shape? Oval shape. And children, oval shape doesn't have any sides. Can you see any sides? No. And it doesn't have any corners also. It doesn't have any corners. It doesn't have any sides. It's an round. Okay children? It is oval shape. We'll see another shape. Children, this is one more shape. It's a diamond shape. Which shape? Diamond. Yes. So diamond also have 4 sides and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the sides are 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Children, I have a lace. The shape of the lace is also diamond shape. Can you see? It look like a diamond. Yes. So it's a diamond shape. I hope you like the diamond shape. Yes. Now we'll see another shape. Children, now I have brought a new shape. This is called star shape. Which shape? Star shape. Yes. The star shape has 5 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many corners? It has 5 corners. And children, it is made up of 10 lines. Will you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It has 10 lines and it has 5 corners. Have you seen stars in the sky? Yes. So, the shape of the star is like this. It has 5 corners and it is made up of 10 lines. Okay. So, now we'll see next shape. Children, this is a shape called pentagon. Which shape is this? Pentagon. Pentagon look like this and it has so many corners. We'll count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 corners. How many corners it has? 5 corners and it is made up of 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We can say line also and we can say side also. So how many sides does pentagon have? 5. And it has 5 corners. Okay. So now we'll see another shape. Children, this shape is called hexagon. Which shape is this? Hexagon. Hexagon have 6 corners and it is made up of 6 sides. Will you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Have you seen the honeybee? Yes. The honeybee's house is made up of hexagon shape. Okay children? So now we'll see another shape. So children, this is the next shape. This is heart shape. Which shape is this? Heart. So heart have only 2 corners. 1 and 2. Yes. So children, have you seen balloon? Heart balloon. Yes children. It is, which shape is this? Heart shape. Okay. Now we'll see some more shapes. Children, now this is a new shape. This is called cylindrical shape. Which shape is this? Cylindrical. Yes. Can you see this? It's a round. Yes. It is called cylindrical shape. It's a round. That's why it is called, it's look like a cylinder. It's a cylindrical shape. Can you see this object? It's not a circle. Okay children, don't get confused. It's a cylindrical. That's why this shape is called cylindrical. Can you see this lipstick? Which shape is this? It's a round. So it's a cylindrical shape. Okay children. It doesn't have any sides. It's a round. Okay. So now we'll see next some more shapes. Children, this is one more shape. This is called cone shape. Can you see this cone shape? Yes. When you go to a birthday party, yes, it look like a cone. So which shape is this? It's a cone shape and it has only 1 corner. Can you see this corner? 1 corner. When we eat ice cream, the ice cream seller gives the cone shape ice cream. Yes children? Yes. So it's a cone shape. From up it goes down and it meets here. So which shape is this? Cone shape. Can you see this carrot children? The shape of the carrot is cone shape. From up to down it comes down in the point. They meet over here. It is called cone shape. It look like a cone. Like this. Can you see this? It's a cone shape. Children, this is one more shape. It's a sphere. Can you see this? It's like a ball. Yes. This shape is called sphere shape. Which shape? Sphere shape. Yes. It doesn't have any sides and it doesn't have any corners. Okay children? Have you seen ball, lemon? All these shapes are called sphere shape. Okay? So this were the so many shapes I have taught you do practice at home, and till then take care. We'll see you soon. And children, you have so many objects at your home, so tell your mama to show you the objects and you name the object, okay, and practice at home. Okay, till then, bye, take care.
Slow.